Hello tech enthusiast, welcome to my tech channel. Foldable and flexible devices are some of the most exciting technological developments of the past decade. They represent a new frontier in the world of mobile devices and have the potential to change the way we interact with technology. With the ability to fold and bend, these devices offer new possibilities for portability, durability, and functionality. In this video, we will explore the future of foldable and flexible devices, their potential applications, and the benefits they offer. From smartphones and tablets to wearables and beyond, we will look at how these devices could revolutionize the way we work, play, and communicate. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of foldable and flexible devices and discover what the future may hold. Introduction: the rise of foldable and flexible devices. Gone are the days when mobile phones were rigid and inflexible. Now, we find ourselves at the precipice of a new era, one where foldable smartphones, tablets, and even laptops are becoming a reality. These devices offer a unique blend of portability and functionality, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Foldable devices, as the name suggests, can be folded or unfolded to adapt to different usage scenarios. This flexibility allows users to have a smartphone-sized device that can be expanded into a larger tablet-like screen when needed. Imagine the convenience of carrying a compact device in your pocket, only to unfold it into a larger display for immersive multimedia experiences or multitasking. Understanding foldable and flexible technology. Understanding the intricacies of foldable and flexible technology is crucial to fully grasp its potential. At its core, this technology enables devices to seamlessly transform from a traditional form factor into a compact and portable design. Whether it's a smartphone that unfolds to reveal a larger display or a tablet that can be folded into a more compact size, these devices present a versatile and dynamic user experience. One of the key components driving the functionality of these devices is the flexible display technology. Traditional rigid displays are replaced with flexible OLED, organic light-emitting diode, screens that can be bent and folded without compromising image quality. This flexibility opens up a myriad of possibilities, allowing for devices to adapt and transform based on users' needs and preferences. Another crucial aspect to consider is the engineering behind these devices. Advanced hinge mechanisms and durable materials are utilized to ensure seamless folding and unfolding motions, while maintaining durability and longevity. Manufacturers invest significant resources in research and development to perfect these mechanisms, ensuring a seamless user experience and robust build quality. Beyond the novelty factor, foldable and flexible devices offer practical advantages. They provide users with the convenience of having a single device that can serve multiple purposes. For instance, a foldable smartphone can function as a compact phone for everyday use, but also transform into a tablet-like device for enhanced productivity or immersive multimedia experiences. Moreover, the portability and compactness of these devices make them ideal for on-the-go individuals who prioritize convenience and flexibility. With foldable and flexible technology, users no longer have to choose between a larger screen size and portability. They can enjoy the best of both worlds in a single device. As this technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases and applications. From flexible e-readers to foldable laptops, the possibilities are limitless. The future unfolds with endless potential, and it is an exciting time to witness the transformative power of foldable and flexible devices. The benefits and challenges of foldable and flexible devices. One of the key advantages of foldable and flexible devices is their enhanced portability and versatility. These devices can seamlessly transform from a compact form factor to a larger screen size, offering users the convenience of a tablet-like experience while still maintaining the portability of a smartphone. This flexibility enables users to enjoy a more immersive and productive experience, whether it's watching videos, multitasking, or working on the go. Additionally, foldable and flexible devices provide a larger screen real estate, allowing for more content to be displayed at once. This can greatly enhance the user experience, making it easier to browse websites, read documents, and view multimedia content without constantly zooming in and out. The larger screens also provide more space for creative applications such as digital sketching and gaming, bringing a whole new level of interactivity and engagement. However, along with these benefits, there are several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the primary concerns is the durability and longevity of these devices. The folding mechanisms and flexible displays need to withstand repeated bending and stretching without compromising functionality or causing damage. Manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development to ensure that these devices can withstand the test of time and daily usage. Another challenge is the software optimization for foldable and flexible screens. App developers need to adapt their designs and interfaces to make the most of the increased screen real estate and unique form factors. This requires innovative thinking and a shift in mindset to create seamless experiences across different screen sizes and orientations. Collaboration between hardware manufacturers and software developers is crucial to ensure a smooth user experience and to drive widespread adoption of these devices. In conclusion, foldable and flexible devices offer a glimpse into the future of technology, with their potential to transform the way we interact with our devices. Despite the challenges they present, the benefits they bring in terms of portability, versatility, and enhanced user experiences make them a promising avenue for innovation. As technology continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how these devices unfold and shape the future of the digital landscape. Exploring current foldable and flexible device offerings. When exploring the current offerings of foldable and flexible devices, it becomes evident that major tech companies are investing heavily in this space. Samsung, for instance, has introduced its Galaxy Fold, a smartphone that unfolds into a tablet-sized display, providing users with a seamless transition between different screen sizes. This groundbreaking device not only offers a larger display for enhanced productivity but also allows for a truly immersive multimedia experience. Another noteworthy player in the foldable and flexible device market is Motorola, with its revival of the iconic Razr. The new Razr combines the nostalgia-inducing flip phone design with a flexible display, offering users the convenience of a compact device that can be easily unfolded into a modern smartphone. This unique offering appeals to those who crave a blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology. In addition to smartphones, the realm of foldable and flexible devices extends to other product categories as well. Companies like Lenovo and Dell have ventured into the realm of foldable laptops, presenting users with the possibility of a device that effortlessly transitions from a traditional laptop form to a tablet-like experience. This fusion of functionality and convenience has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, play, and interact with technology. Furthermore, the healthcare industry has also embraced the potential of foldable and flexible devices. Medical devices, such as wearable sensors and monitors, can now be seamlessly integrated into clothing or bandages, allowing for continuous monitoring of vital signs without sacrificing comfort or mobility. This opens up a world of possibilities for remote patient monitoring and personalized healthcare solutions. As we explore the current offerings of foldable and flexible devices, it becomes clear that we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in technology. These devices not only push the boundaries of what is possible but also offer a glimpse into the future of how we interact with and incorporate technology into our daily lives. Whether it's smartphones, laptops, or healthcare devices, the potential of foldable and flexible technology is limitless, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. In conclusion, our exploration of the potential of foldable and flexible devices has revealed a fascinating glimpse into the future of technology. With advancements in materials and engineering, these devices hold immense promise in terms of portability, versatility, and user experience. From foldable smartphones to flexible wearables, the possibilities seem endless. As technology continues to evolve, we eagerly anticipate the innovative ways in which these devices will shape our lives. The future truly unfolds before us, and we can't wait to see what it holds. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Furthermore, the potential applications of foldable and flexible devices extend beyond the realm of smartphones and tablets. The concept of foldable laptops, for instance, opens up new possibilities for professionals, students, and creatives who require a portable yet powerful computing solution. With a foldable laptop, users can effortlessly switch between traditional laptop mode and a more compact tablet mode, offering unparalleled versatility and productivity. The rise of foldable and flexible devices is not just a trend, it represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. As these devices continue to evolve, we can expect to see advancements in display technology, durability, and software optimization. The future of foldable and flexible devices holds the promise of a more immersive and seamless user experience, where boundaries between different device categories blur, and innovation takes center stage. In this video, we will dive deeper into the world of foldable and flexible devices, exploring the latest advancements, potential use cases, and the impact they may have on various industries. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to uncover the limitless possibilities that the future of foldable and flexible devices holds. The era of innovation and transformation has just begun, and we are here to witness it unfold.